Drone lovers, get ready for takeoff because the skies are buzzing with excitement. Helicopter. The long-rumored DJI Mini 5 Pro might finally be on the horizon, and if the latest leaks are to be believed, this could be DJI's most powerful ultralight drone yet. From LiDAR sensors to vented motors and a possible 1-inch camera sensor, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious upgrade over the already impressive Mini 4 Pro. In this video, we're diving deep into everything we know so far: the leaked launch date, rumored specs, insider photos, and what it all means for drone enthusiasts like you. The leak and launch date. Let's start with the big news, the launch date. According to Jesper Ellens, a well-known drone blogger and serial leaker writing for DroneXL, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be officially unveiled on August 7, 2025. Jesper says the tip came from a highly reliable source, someone who's never been wrong before. And while he usually waits for more confirmation before posting rumors, this time he made an exception. That means we're potentially just weeks away from seeing DJI's next big release, and the excitement is building fast. Adding to the buzz, a new image of what appears to be the Mini 5 Pro has surfaced online. The photo, shared by another trusted leaker, @Maro_Tandoy, was reportedly taken by a mountain biker in China who stumbled upon a prototype drone in a public park. While the image quality isn't great, it clearly shows a compact, foldable drone with noticeably larger front-facing sensors, a strong hint that LiDAR technology might be on board. This lines up perfectly with earlier rumors from December 2024, which suggested the Mini 5 Pro would feature LiDAR for enhanced obstacle avoidance. And now let's talk about what really matters: the upgrades. Here's what we're expecting from the DJI Mini 5 Pro. White heavy checkmark LiDAR sensors. These would dramatically improve obstacle detection, especially in low-light conditions. LiDAR has already appeared in DJI's higher-end drones like the Air 3S and Mavic 4 Pro, so it's not a stretch to see it trickle down to the Mini series. White heavy checkmark vented motors. These could mean better airflow, improved cooling, and stronger flight performance. Think faster speeds, better wind resistance, and potentially longer battery life. White heavy checkmark 1-inch camera sensor. This would be a major leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, more dynamic range, and sharper image quality, all while keeping the drone under 250 g. White heavy checkmark under 250 g weight. This is crucial. In the US, UK, and EU, drones under 250 grams are subject to fewer regulations, making them ideal for hobbyists and content creators alike. DJI knows this, and we fully expect them to keep the Mini 5 Pro within that weight limit. The DJI Mini series has always been about packing pro-level features into a tiny, travel-friendly package. The Mini 4 Pro already set a high bar, but if these leaks are accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could raise it even higher. With LiDAR, vented motors, and a larger sensor, this drone could be the perfect tool for creators who want cinematic footage without the bulk or legal headaches of larger drones. And let's not forget, DJI has a reputation for surprising us with even more features at launch.